Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Children, today we are going to learn wild animal names. Children, look at this picture. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, elephant. Children, elephant lives in jungle. It is the biggest land animal. It likes to eat sugarcane and banana. Baby of elephant is called calf. Now children, listen this sound carefully. Yes, this is elephant sound and we call it trumpet. The sound of elephant is trumpet. Now children, look at this picture. Do you know which animal is this? Yes, this is panda. It also lives in jungle. Baby of panda is cub. Panda likes to eat leaves, stem of bamboo plants. Now children, listen this sound carefully. This is panda's sound and we call it bleat. So the sound of panda is bleat. So children, today we learn and know about two wild animals and they are elephant and panda. Learn these lines. Have a nice day. Bye.